welcome back to my channel. Shannon Thonise here, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. My name is Shannon Thonise. Nice to have you here. And as you can see from the title of this video, it's going to be my April BoxyCharm box unboxing. I have not looked into this box yet. I haven't opened it. It's still intact. So it's going to be an unboxing the box of this BoxyCharm box. Okay, so I already have this thing that I used last month to open my box already handy. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Ooh. And today, same as always, BoxyCharm, hashtag BoxyCharm in all the social media that they have. And this is how it looks on the inside. So this month is Peace, Love, and Boxy. Of course, it has the information about the products that came in this month's box, and it tells you how much that they retail for. And okay, some more brushes. Oh my gosh, LUXIE. Yes, I love. Okay, so got some gold brushes from LUXIE and I love them, baby. I was like, oh my gosh, these are good. LUXIE is good. ARTISTCOUTURE Diamond Glow Powder. It's a little palette. It's in this bubble wrap that I'll keep so I can pop it. Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Okay, so 12, yeah, it has 12 colors. These are the colors that it has. This is the Pure The Complexion Authority Festival Palette. This retails, I'll hold it up as I'm reading it. This retails for $36. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open. Oh, it has a little sticker thing up here. Actually, for this makeup look that I have on, I use the other Pure palette that I got from BoxyCharm. This Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. Okay, I'm just gonna stick it to my desk. So, I'm gonna swatch these as well because I am dying to see how it looks. Oh, this fell out. It's a primer, Pure Get a Grip. It's an eyeshadow, endurance eyeshadow primer. Okay, so this is how it looks inside the box, the actual palette. It has some shades. What? Did the front have that? Yeah, I didn't even notice it. Okay, so of course it has this put into place so it doesn't just fall off. Thank you. So I'm just gonna pop this off and I'm gonna swatch it. Move my sleeve up first. I'm gonna leave the other side stuck there. So the first one that I'm gonna swatch is Free Spirit. This one right here. Yep. And then I'm gonna not use the same finger. I'm gonna swipe Psychedelic. This one right here. Use my other fingers. Good Vibes right here, and Peace right here. I'm gonna come in a little bit so y'all can see. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna use is Epic. Those were shimmery colors. This looks like a matte color. Okay, now I'm gonna Get Gypsy. Like jabbing my hair with this thing. Okay. And then Wild Child. On my pan. I'm really gonna do these two on my hands so I can see. So I can see. 24K magic. Okay. Oh, it's like it's really pigmented. I just thought it would go further, but it's really pretty. Now I'm gonna get this thing's getting on me. Fireworks. I'm gonna go right down here to the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. It's really shimmery. And then we have three more. All Night, Hidden Desert, and Sunset. I'm gonna swatch All Night. And now Hidden Desert. I'm gonna show you all the swatches in a second. And Sunset. That's all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. And then swatch this one. So these are the colors on my arm. And these are the glitters on my hand. Okay, so that was the Complexion Authority Festival palette. Next are the LUXIE the Summer Daze 3-piece brush set. Okay, so these retail for $28. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all and fill these. Take them out. I like that they're pink. These are cute. These are cute. And it like fades. Like the color fades. Two of the color regular brush. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in the pack that it came in. And LUXIEVIBES for Luxie brushes. Next is the ARTISTCOUTURE Diamond Glow Powder. This retails for $27. Go ahead and open it up and have a peek at it so y'all can have a peek at it too. This is what it looks like, the actual thing. Hashtag ARTISTCOUTUREVIBES. Next is this Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss. This is how it looks. This retails for $21. Hashtag APPEALVIBES. The next we have CHELLA Beauty Eyebrow Cream. This retails for $26. This is how it looks. I'm going to try these brushes and this palette. I got my mirror already right here. I'm just going to add some glitter right here. Try this 24K magic so we can see how it does. Okay, so I'm going to get a little bit of the 24K magic. Okay, I need my mirror to be facing me right now. Close my eye. Put it in the place that you want it in. I don't know why I started whispering. I like this brush and this palette, so I think I'm gonna put Fireworks a little bit behind it. I'm having too much fun right now. Okay, so this is glittery. See how it just up my shimmer? I know I probably could do this a lot cuter, but what other shade? I'm gonna add some dark, some all night. Ooh, it just came off so smooth. I know I'm using the same brush. I just want to see how it does. I'm not gonna do the other eye. I'm just gonna look crazy and have one eye done. Okay. You see how shimmery it is, though. So this completes my video, my unboxing my April BoxyCharm box. If y'all haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Shannon Thonise. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button to get notified when I upload. And tell me what y'all thought about this month's box. Or if y'all have any, if you have any questions, or if y'all have any video ideas, any things that you would like to see, just comment that below. Thank you for watching this video. Bye y'all. See you in my next video. Yes. Stay tuned, stay tuned. I'm about to say stay tuned, stay tuned. Stay tuned, stay tuned. And my chair is like squeaking. Anyway, keep a lookout for my next video because it will be coming soon.